Hello guys, so welcome to tonight's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program for able to bring you the latest Arsenal news update as they drop all over the world. So for now, I'm gonna start with tonight's evening show. So after the match where Arsenal play against Manchester United, so Roy Keane come as I can talk about the match coordinator say Arsenal gets mentality problem based on the way Arsenal take play because in arguments and the fact say how do you go from beating PSV 7-1 and you cannot really beat Manchester United. Manchester United are there for the taking. We should have destroyed them, this and that. When I saw that, I just laughed because me, I going to reverse the question, say, now you and your club, Manchester United, now supposed to be talk, say, we not get a mentality problem. If we not play every other person, I will come outside follow them play. But when I meet us, we not set up 10 men behind the ball. Because they play 5 men defense. Why not come outside? Since now I get the right mentality. Why not come outside? We will get a lot of injuries where they hamper our attacking prowess. We not carry more low block front. Okay, what do you want more to do? Yes, so I don't really buy that in arguments because Manchester United actually made it very, very difficult for Arsenal to actually win the match. Because imagine the King questioning Arsenal mentality after Manchester United draw. Like, just imagine that. So the match don't end. Arsenal play 1-1 with Manchester United. You get so the match first half we dominated the first half. The second half became an open affair because Manchester United already first score through free kick. So based on so they try to equalize, then second back come out get to see whether they will get a second goal to just close up everywhere. And they could have gotten that if not be the heroic save of David Raya. It gets so David Raya for the first half for the free kick. Many people they blame David Raya for that free kick, but now we don't get some evidence which will say that free kick safe. They're supposed to even cancel them. I go see reach that side. Now, after the match, so they got the interview Mikel Arteta. So back on they got to ask him on how they feel about today's game. So Arteta got to talk say it's frustrating not to win the game with everything we did, especially in the first half, the first 43-44 minutes, how we dominated every aspect of the game, full control. We lacked a little bit in the final 15-20 meters. So have more shots, more purpose, more direction. The last pass, the last action, but the game is clearly for us and in the direction that we wanted. Unfortunately, one long ball and we didn't manage that ball well. We gave it away, created a foul in a really dangerous area where you have to rely on them not to take advantage. Oh, Baba talk plenty. The Coco be say we drop points. Get even said Sky Sports going to interview Mikel Arteta. They're going to ask him about the title. Say now we're only like 15 points behind this Liverpool. Get so what's Arteta think about them? So Arteta come like vex come on for where Sky Sports where they ask them questions. So many people are also talking about as one of the talking points out there tonight. Get now away from that. So people like Gary Neville come to talk say the Arsenal of last season say they better than Liverpool of this season. Get say the only thing we really disturb Arsenal. Now be the fact say the recruitment policy of Arsenal. Say Arsenal not really buy players. Say that is the only way when they fault Arsenal because apart from that, you get say Gary Neville says Arsenal's poor recruitment hasn't helped them. This is because normal. If to say we buy well, you get bring in players, quality players, we for challenge Liverpool to the title race. But me, I don't believe players. Apart from players, also when you look at the disciplinary issues and the things where referee do us, referee also do us some kind of okay. For example, now look at today's match. Do you know that the wall where they set before Bruno Fernandes played that ball, that wall, the referee wrongly sets that wall. Like, listen, the referee they're in charge of distance. And the referee will tell you, say, okay, we'll move back, stay here. So the referee took us 11.2 yards back. Because after the match, in fact, while the free kick was about to be played, now Gary Neville first noticed her. Irrespective of say maybe being Manchester United fan and a Sky Sports Monday, now he first talk that say, this wall, it will go far back, he gets, and now he first call her. So at the end of the day, Bruno Fernandes score. So the Sun got to say the wall, Arsenal wall was 11.2 yards back for stunning Bruno Fernandes free kick as furious fans slammed the referee Anthony Taylor. You get because Now, when you look at how the gap is too much. If to say them come close, then maybe the ball for knack player head or knack player body, like it is too backward. You get 11.2 yards. Why? So because of this, me I can't run go check the IFAB rules that is guiding the EPL. So when you check that rule book, because it say the wall was supposed to be 10 yards. So that extra 1.2 yard could have been the difference. Who knows? You get, but that is why many Arsenal fans the vex say, why the referee make that type of mistake? Just imagine. Okay, imagine say maybe we no call equalize. So now after the match, now they even they ask Ateta our press conference. I say, well, it don't happen. We say it don't happen. What can we do? Because Ateta look at maybe now Bruno Fernandes take advantage of the situation, but the referee is supposed to check them very very well. I don't know how they take calculate that thing. Although Gary never said they talk say at least Arsenal fans, Arsenal players supposed to don't use their head calculate, notice say we are too back now, they're too far away from the ball. They're supposed to notice, but maybe their mind no good yet. So it happens sometimes. Now, after the match, Christian Eriksen of Manchester United admitted in the press conference that Manchester United benefited from the free kick wall controversy. Eriksen said he was happy that the wall was at least 15 yards. Yes, say if they say the wall there 15 yards, saying they're very, very happy because Bruno Fernandes beautifully struck free kick may have had a helping hand from the referee as Manchester United and Arsenal shared the spot. Now, like I told you, Gary Neville spotted it immediately, saying on the Sky Sports commentary, the ball looks a fair way back. Looks like it is giving Bruno Fernandes a chance. It looks a mile back. Usually, you see the wall, particularly a big wall like that, it always looks really difficult to get it up and over. There just seems there to be so much space, that he didn't even have to go that high up into the net. So Sky Sports later confirmed that the wall was in fact 11.2 yards away instead of the regulated 10 yards. 10 yards is the law. But referee carriers go too back. They see some of what this Ujiro they talk about. But it is what it is. What can we do? It don't happen, we say it don't happen. We can't come and be crying over spilled milk. So it don't happen. Now, away from that. So people like Paul Merson going to give a brutal verdict on Arsenal's title hopes after in the field say Manchester United draw, you don't make us no go fit win the league title. Me, when I hear all this, I say, Papa, who still they look league title? League title don't come on mind, get so don't they like how many points behind? You still they look league title, you get. Me, I don't think say me and my people there, none of us they look league title. If I come up with that story to ourselves and league title. When you look at the table now, you go see say Liverpool they 15 points ahead of Arsenal. You get, although we still get one match behind them. We'll get 50 points, but more no focus on Liverpool. Look at those beneath us. We are 4 points ahead of what's it called? Nottingham Forest, and at the same time we are about 6 points ahead of Chelsea, and we are 7 points ahead of Manchester City. So for anybody they fear say maybe we don't go collect top 4, everybody will still drop points. We go drop points. Nottingham Forest go drop points. Chelsea go drop points. Man City go drop points. Now so it be. No, they look and say that maybe only Arsenal now go to drop points as we move forward. No, that's not how things work. You get. So, like I told you, Megaleta stormed out of an interview after questions from Sky Sports when they ask him about the title race. Now, Paul Merson got the talk say top 4 no sure for us now, saying the fear. Can you come? I just explain them now. You get. So everybody will drop points. So maybe I'm not going to look and say that maybe only Arsenal that go drop points for the top 4. You get. Now, away from that, football transfers. Probably let us know say Liverpool don't open talks to sign Benjamin Sesko. This one's really shocked me. You get. So Graham Bailey, who is the chief correspondent of TBR, himself reporter, say yes, Liverpool have been in contact with the Benjamin Sesko's representatives ahead of a potential summer transfer. That's why they talk say there is no guarantee say Sesko will sign for us. But whether Sesko sign or he don't sign, my happiness is the fact that so many we have a plethora of options. Nobody Sesko do for markets when season don't end. So that one safe. It did give me joy, so I don't really get any fear about that. So whether you go sign or you no go sign. Now when season ends, we will see what you go sub. So let me know message from one of our sponsors, Mobile Wealth Associates and Co Limited. They're into construction services, dredging, canalization, real estate, and shop protection works. They're also into mechanical and fabrication services and procurement services nationwide. So if you want to reach out to them, you can call them on +234 8064642234. They're located at number 7. Kennywood Road, Oreazi, opposite St. Stephen's Anglican Church, Port Harcourt. So if you're interested in any of the services, do reach out to them. So the biggest news of the night, I'm reflecting Roy Keane, the question, Arsenal's mentality because of the way they draw against Manchester United, because from your own opinion, we could have beaten Manchester United. But your team, no make it easy for us. They completely men behind the ball, so no go really blame us. Yeah, so it is what it is. Even the Ruben Amorim before the match, he promised that they were not going to sit back. We're going to come outside. But at the end of the day, what happened? They sat back, 5-1, 5-4-1. So that just at the time don't really go. So I just make everything very, very brief. So my dear Arsenal lovers, I think it's a fine place for us to call the show and end. So it's like come your way tomorrow morning to give you the money. So then thanks for tuning in. Enjoy the rest of your night. Now good night. All right, guys. Bye.